raindrops on my window pane. Lazy morning, no need to explain. Coffee steam and the sound of rain. This cozy day keeps me sane. Blanket wrapped around my feet. Outside world takes a backseat. Soft strumming guitar sweet. In this stillness find my beat. Dancing shadows on the wall. Watch the rain clouds rise and fall. Whispering stories that enthrall. In this quiet, hear it all. Muffled sounds of passing cars. Sky is gray, no sight of stars. Scent of rain through open door ajar. In my world I need not go far. Daydreams float like paper boats. In this warmth I write my notes. Life is simple in these codes. Wrapped in rhythm, time just glows. Dancing shadows on the wall. Watch the rain clouds rise and fall. Whispering stories that enthrall.